Rice-O-E, Dosbarth Starfish, Assembly, all about Diwali. What is Diwali? Diwali is an important religious celebration that is celebrated by Hindus. It is known as the Festival of Lights and marks the beginning of a new year in some parts of the world. During the festival, Hindus celebrated the legends of the returns of Rama and Sita. Once upon a time there lived a great warrior, Prince Rama. He had a beautiful wife named Sita. One day Rama and Sita were banished from their home by the king. Rama's brother Lakshmana joined them in exile. This means they were not allowed to live in their own kingdom. Living nearby, there was a terrible king named Ravana. He had 10 heads and 20 arms, and he was feared throughout the land. One day, Ravana captured Sita and took her away in his chariot. Clever Sita left a trail of her jewelry for Ravana to follow. Rama and Lakshmana followed the trail of glittering jewelry until they met the Monkey King, Hanuman, who became their friend and agreed to help find Sita. Messages were sent to all the monkeys in the world who set out to find Sita. After a very long search, Hanuman found Sita imprisoned on an island. The army of monkeys couldn't reach the island, so they began to build a bridge. Soon, all the animals of the world, large and small, had come to help. When the bridge was built, they rushed across it and forced a mighty battle. When Rama killed the evil Ravana with a magic arrow, the whole world rejoiced. Rama and Sita was roaming to the night, and they became a long journey back to their land. Lamps were lit by everybody to help them on their way. To this day, Diwali is celebrated by people lighting lamps as a way to remember that light triumphs over the dark and good over evil. Lakshmi, goddess of wealth. Lamps are lit to help Lakshmi and their way into people's homes, and doors and windows are left open so that she can find her way in. Celebrating Diwali. Diwali is a time for celebrating good over evil and happiness. During this time, people will do certain things to celebrate. Clean their homes for the new year. Wear new clothes. Exchange presents. Share special meals with friends and family. Enjoy huge fireworks displays. Lots of Rangoli patterns are created during Diwali. The Rangoli design is made up of beautiful coloured patterns. The designs are often very detailed. Dosbarth Starfish challenges you to design your own Rangoli patterns.